Some people wanted an update on my Volvo where I fixed the hole in the motor, and this is that Volvo. It's probably what, six years later, something like that. So therefore it's black. I had it painted black, but same car. I just want you to know that it still runs 6 years later. Still don't leak any oil. There's evidently the hole with the hole in the motor was repaired, and I repaired the hole in the motor, and so there's no oil. There's no oil leak. So all of these years later, my hole repair with the what I use, JB Weld. Yeah, my JB Weld oil repair still holds up. Now I know y'all wondering why is it shaking, and that's because the air mass flow needs to be replaced. See, I don't even got it plugged up. Y'all notice I don't even have the air mass flow plugged up. It should be plugged up there, but I'm not gonna do it because I need to replace it, and I think it'll kill it. I believe it'll kill it. But that's why it's running like that. And so it'll still drive. I'll take y'all for a ride. I guess I should. I had started changing the plugs from the European plugs to the little little Americanized kind of plugs, and so, but I just haven't had the time to really mess with her, as much as 7 years she's held up. I've driven her back and forth on the highway several times from Palm Bay to West Palm Beach, which is about an hour and a half drive. I've done all of that, and I need to go and, like I say, fix the air mass flow where I can just go on and get her running right like she's supposed to. But this is an update for you guys who didn't feel that the JB Weld would work on the hole repair. And I just want you to know that so many years later, how many years? Is it 6 years, 7 years? I don't know. I've had this car for a while, but 6 or 7 years, man. This thing is still rolling. It's still rolling, Jack. It is. Same motor that I fixed. It's still rolling. Yeah. But anyway, that's the update. So for those of you who have a hole in your motor and you're just wondering how to fix it, try some JB Weld. You'll still be rolling in your car 6 or 7 years later. That's right. And it'll still be holding strong. Yeah. So anyway, y'all have a good one. Bye. So anyway, there she blows. That's the hole in the motor Volvo that still runs, for those of you who needed an update.